Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your clock for daylight savings time in the 2025 Kia K4. I have in front of me here a GT Line Turbo in Wave Blue. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, on our 12.3-inch infotainment screen here, you'll see that our clock is up in the top right-hand corner. So you have a couple options. The quickest way to go in to change the time is just go ahead and touch the time itself. You do also have the option of hitting setup, going to general, and then going date and time, but the fastest way is just touching the time. So you'll see in the middle, it says set time automatically. That means that if you happen to be driving across time zones, the car will change the time in the top corner based on the time zone that you're in. If you wanted to change that for the daylight saving time, go ahead and scroll up a little bit and you'll see daylight saving time as an option. So when I go ahead and press that, well, you'll see that it went ahead the hour. So it sprung ahead the hour. If I were to uncheck it, then it's going to fall back the hour. And you do also have the option of changing between a 24-hour clock and a 12-hour clock. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.